Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to log into your DEGIRO account using your DEGIRO app on your mobile device, then here's how you do it. First things first, open the DEGIRO app on your device, and once you do that, in the welcome screen, go ahead and enter your username and password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link underneath the Username tab and follow through the on-screen instructions. But if you remember your credentials, go ahead and write it down in the text box. Start off by typing in your username and then your password on the next field. Finally, click on Login. Now enter your 5-digit passcode to access to your account. And that will be able to help you log into your DEGIRO account in just a few simple steps. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.